Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to hide the notch or the camera cutout on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. From here, just scroll down and tap on display. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on camera cutout. Now from here, just select the apps in which you want to hide the notch. Just like that. Now from here, just select Hide Camera Cutout. Just like that. Now if you open the apps which you have enabled the Hide Camera Cutout on, it will hide the notch when you use that specific app. Just like that. And this is how you can hide the notch or the camera cutout on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.